Hello, in this practical activity, we have to demonstrate use of PI controller to control temperature of given process. PI controller, it stands for proportional plus integral controller. It is combination of proportional as well as integral mode of control action, and mathematical equation for this controller is P of t equal to Kp into E of t plus Ki integration of E of t dt. In this mathematical equation, as we can observe, it is proportional part. This equation is for proportionality and this equation is for integral mode of control action. Now, it is sample controller schematic for PI controller. In this schematic or in this diagrammatic arrangement, error signal denoted by E of t. This error signal it is given to this proportional mode of controller as well as integral mode of controller, and here both the outputs, they are added together, their sum is taken and it is provided to output. It is provided to process block. Again, output is taken as feedback, and this feedback it is given back to the input. This feedback is provided back to the input. Again, SP and PV, set point and PV, they are compared with one another by using this block, and error signal is generated. This is theoretical diagram, theoretical schematic. It is practical setup. It's sample setup for PI controller, front panel of a PI controller. Now we have to study actual setup of a PI controller. Now in the actual setup, as you can observe, it is microcontroller based PID control system for temperature control, and temperature of this oven, it is controlled by using this controller. Temperature of the oven, it is controlled by using this controller. It is RTD. By using this, temperature of this block, it can be sensed and it is given to this PID block. This controller or this system, this control system, it will accept the temperature from this particular block. It is 230 volt supply to control temperature of this oven. On front panel of this block, it is mains supply, power on off. It is display, 4-digit display to display value of current in milliampere. It is 7-segment display, it is having 7 segments, and this block, it indicates integral, proportional, derivative control action. It is display part of this block On this display block, various values we can observe. For this experimental activity, you can refer the manual provided by manufacturer for reference. So in this PID controller, these are the specifications given, and as you can observe on this display, PV, SP, page setup, down, up, enter, these are the 4 keys, and their function is provided in the manual itself. So for this operation, any person, he can learn the practical of this microcontroller based PID control system by using this particular manual. Now at current moment, at current stage, you can observe this value is 32.6. It means it is current value of temperature, present value of temperature, which is measured by this RTD, and this temperature is of this oven. This oven have temperature around 32.7 degree Celsius. This is set point. It is indicated in green color. We can change the value by using these up and down arrows. This is upward arrow, this is downward arrow. By using this arrow, we can change the value of set point. We can change the value of SP. This is enter key. Now, in the memory on page number 10, these are the different values which are provided: pH, PB, I and D. Now we are using the controller in PI mode of control action. So we will set value of D equal to 0. Now other constants are PB equal to 4.7, it is proportional value, IE it is 20, D value is 0, PL is 0 and pH is 100. Now as these values as this controller, it is configured into PI mode of control action. Now consider first case, we have set the set point to 45 degrees Celsius, and when we connect this oven, then what will happen? Automatically this light will turn on, automatically this bulb, it will turn on. As you can observe, temperature of this container, it increases automatically. Value of current, it is indicated on this display. Current is around 2 milliampere. So when it reaches around 45 degrees Celsius, the bulb which is used for heating the container, this bulb is turned off automatically, and it is control action which is achieved by using PI mode of control action. So in this case, right now current is 19.1 milliampere and error is 2.2, 47.2 minus 45 degrees Celsius. So error value is 2.2 degrees Celsius. It is value of error. So in this way we can achieve the control action, PI control action. Now in the observation, set point for this experiment is 45 degrees Celsius, proportional constant is 4.7, integral constant value it is 20. Now we have to measure the value of PI control action, time in seconds and temperature. For this purpose we can also take one more reading. In this table, you can measure the time as well as temperature value. Thank you.